Hey guys, so let's take a look at how to access the work from this week that is currently either incomplete or missing in the gradebook. So I'm going to go to the home page or the updates page of Schoology. Now this is where some confusion happened. The assignment is in two different places, so I'm going to show you where I need it from you to make sure you have it done. So let's go to the Materials tab. Yours is going to look a little bit different than mine, but we're looking for this pinkish reddish folder that has the dates for this week and then Informational Writing Refresh. So when you go in here, you can click on it and click on the text set note catchers. And once you get in here, it'll say My Document. You'll notice the due dates are listed here as well. So this one, it's one document, but I was checking it 3 different times, so I know organization got a little confusing. Hopefully this clears that up. When you're done, you can click Submit and then send me an email or come to office hours to let me know that's done. We can get that taken care of right away, all right? Just a reminder that this is really important to keep up on. We're starting essay writing on Tuesday since we don't have school Monday. So the more you can do right now, the more time you're saving yourself and stress you're saving yourself next week. Let me know if you have any questions.